McKeag with Liberty Aid Academy, and if you get the trust and open up the trust and get, you probably want to get the bundle with all the other courses and everything that go with it. But if you get the trust and operate the trust, guess what? We teach you in the mentor program how to never have to pay any student loans. Even if you have hundreds of thousands of dollars of student loans, it doesn't matter the amount. Your credit will remain perfect and you won't have to pay a penny of your student loans ever. Perfect credit, right? In other words, however your credit is now, the student loans won't have any negative impact on yours. It's, from not paying, you'll still see your student loans on your credit report, but they'll be just reported as in abeyance, right? They're not, they don't need to be paid, and that's okay. The government puts them, your payments on hold, and your credit's not messed up, and you don't have to wait for the student loan forgiveness, and that only has $20,000 or 10,000, right? It's fine if they do that or whatever, right? Hey, but right now, today, if you open up the trust, right, at Liberty Aid Academy, and operate the trust, well, we teach you how you never have to pay on any student loans ever. So, free college, free graduate school. Come on, what are you waiting for? Okay, you don't have to wait for this debt for relief or whatever. Get it today. Get your debt relief today, immediately. We teach you how. It's really easy, and there's so many benefits, right? You don't report taxes. You don't pay the IRS a penny. No paying taxes. Yeah, that's over. But this is another side benefit, okay, of operating this trust. You never have to pay any student loan ever, and your credit's just fine.